TheraTears Dry Eye. Product details. TheraTears Dry Eye Therapy Lubricant Eye Drops are clinically proven to relieve dry eye symptoms. The unique formula is preservative-free for sensitive eyes. Dry eye can be caused by a salt imbalance in your tears. TheraTears with osmocorrection and a unique hypertonic and electrolyte-balanced formula replicates healthy tears to restore your eye's natural balance for immediate, long-lasting relief of dry eye symptoms. TheraTears is not only recommended by eye doctors, but it was also created by an ophthalmologist after 18 years of research and with sponsorship from the National Eye Institute. TheraTears Dry Eye Therapy is available in a convenient, single-use vials sealed in foil pouches to ensure they are as fresh as natural tears. The formula is perfect for at home and on the go and is part of the TheraTears Dry Eye Therapy line for more complete dry eye symptom relief. TheraTears, more than just eye drops, dry eye therapy. Dry eye relief. TheraTears Dry Eye Therapy Lubricant Eye Drops provide immediate long-lasting relief of dry eye symptoms. Restore eye's natural balance. TheraTears electrolyte formula corrects the salt imbalance that can cause dry eye symptoms. Unique formula utilizes a one-of-a-kind hypertonic and electrolyte-balanced formula that replicates healthy tears. Preservative-free. TheraTears is preservative-free for sensitive eyes. The single-use vials come in a foil pouch to ensure they're as fresh as natural tears.
Doctor-created. TheraTears is not only recommended by doctors, it was created by an ophthalmologist after 18 years of research.
Dosage. LN still 1 or 2 drops in the affected eyes as needed. Instructions.
Directions: to open, twist tab completely off. Instill 1 or 2 drops in the affected eyes as needed.